Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You open Chrome and immediately go to the three-dot menu on the top right. This starts the update flow. Once done, make sure your computer is not running heavy tasks. Updates require a quick restart. You also verify the OS is up to date because Chrome sometimes defers updates on older system builds. Now click Help, then About Google Chrome to trigger the version check. The browser will begin downloading any available update automatically. Once Chrome downloads the update, it prepares files in the background so you keep working. When you see a relaunch button, save your work. Chrome will restore tabs for signed-in users, but manual saves are safer. Click Relaunch. Chrome closes and reopens quickly to apply the update. After relaunch, return to About to confirm the version shows the latest number. If Chrome updates extensions, give them a moment to reinitialize so pages behave correctly. After relaunch, verify the update completed by visiting About Google Chrome. It should say Chrome is up to date with the new version number. If the update fails, restart your computer and rerun the About check, because a pending OS restart can block the browser update. If problems persist, download the latest Chrome installer from your platform's official channel and run it to force an upgrade. This fixes corrupted installs. Remember to back up any local-only data before reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.